In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hubspot integration with Surveymonkey. To begin, sign into your Hubspot account so you are on the main dashboard. Once you are inside Hubspot, look to the top navigation bar. You will find the marketplace icon there, which looks like a shopping bag. This is where Hubspot keeps its available app connections and integrations. Click on that icon and then select App Marketplace from the menu. After the App Marketplace opens, you will be taken to a page where you can browse and search for different tools that connect with Hubspot. In this case, you want to connect Surveymonkey, so go to the search bar and type in Surveymonkey. As you search, Hubspot will display the matching app result. Click on the Surveymonkey app to open its details page. On the app page, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct integration. This page usually gives you a quick overview of what the app does and how it works with Hubspot. When you are ready to continue, go to the top right corner of the page and click Install App. This starts the connection process between the two platforms. Next, Hubspot will take you to a login and authorization screen for Surveymonkey. Here, you need to sign in using your Surveymonkey account credentials. Make sure you use the correct account, especially if you manage more than one Surveymonkey login, because the integration will connect to the account you authorize here. After signing in, review the authorization prompts carefully so you understand what access is being granted between Surveymonkey and Hubspot. Once you are ready, approve the authorization to complete the connection. This allows Hubspot and Surveymonkey to work together and share data as supported by the integration. If everything is entered correctly and the authorization is accepted, the app will be installed and connected to your Hubspot account. At that point, the integration setup is complete. If you do not see the connection right away, give it a moment and refresh the page if needed. It is also a good idea to double-check that the app now appears in your Connected Apps area inside Hubspot so you can confirm the installation was successful. That covers everything you need to know.